Hello everyone. Start off by making 2 braids out of either side of the hair and then pin it up on top of one of the sections that you've created on the other side. Now take the left hand side braid and then pin it up on the top right hand side section. Make multiple decorative pins in the center. Start off by taking the top section of the hair, tie it up at the back, and then roll the hair in on itself as such. Now, pull one section of the hair through the top and then do this for the rest of them as well. Continue to do this on one of the sides and then move on to the other side. Make multiple sections out of the initial section you've created and then pull it through the side as such. Now, once you're done with this, comb the hair into place. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back more towards the right side, and then roll the section of the hair in on itself. Now tie a low ponytail and then fold it upwards. Use a 2-pronged pin that is decorative in nature in order to put it in its place. Now adjust the hair and then comb it as need be. Next, take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, gather the hair together in a low ponytail, add a rubber band in the middle, lift this upwards and then add a decorative pin at the top of it. Now comb the top portion of the hair as such in order to add volume to it. Start off by taking 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, and now pull a section of the hair through the top left side section. Now, with the rest of the hair on the bottom, make a braid out of it, roll the hair upwards and then pin it up more towards the right side. Use a decorative pin in order to do so. Next, we will start off by making 2 ponytails on either side, make 2 braids out of it, and then make them crisscross right through the center as such. Now join them at the bottom and then pin them upwards as such. Take 2 more sections from either side and then clip it up to the top. Add decorative pins on either side. You may also add a decorative pin in the center and tie the hair up at the bottom. Take a section of the hair from the left side and then divide it into 3 parts and then begin to braid the hair. As you progress with this braid, in the middle section, include sections of the hair from the other side into it. Make 2 braids on the left hand side and then at the back make a low ponytail, roll this ponytail in on itself and then insert the braids into this ponytail. Join all of the hair together and then begin to braid it. Roll this braid upwards and then use a 2-pronged decorative pin in order to fasten it in its place. It can be of different colors. Take the top section of the hair, make 2 braids out of it, lift it up and then tie a rubber band to it. Now add a hair stick through it that is decorative in nature. Fold the rest of the braids upwards as well. Use bobby pins in order to fasten it in its place. Join both the braids together and then put them upwards as such. Separate the two and then add a decorative pin in the center as well. Next, leave out a section of the hair in the front and then at the back make a braid and then tie it up. Use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. Now, taking a section that you have left out, tie a rubber band to it, fold it over and then roll it around the braid and then insert a pin around it in order to make it stay in place. We have inserted a pin that has 2 prongs onto it that is also decorative in nature. Gather the hair together, make a ponytail out of it, loosen it slightly, roll the ponytail in on itself and then tighten it. Use your fingers in order to loosen some sections out of it at the top. Now divide the rest of the hair into 3 parts and then make a braid out of it. Once you're done with the braid, add a rubber band to the bottom of it, loosen the sides using your fingers as such. Use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it from the top as such. Loosen out the center. Next, we'll start off by taking this bun stick, gather the hair together and then wrap the hair around this hair stick as such. Roll it over and then arrange the hair around it as such. Use a bobby pin or a decorative pin in order to fasten it in its place. Thank you for watching.